Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at Costa sunglasses model 06S9009 in color code 01. The color of the frame is black. And these glasses are rectangular shaped. On its temples, you'll find the Costa logo in black. On both sides. The lenses also 100% polarized and UV protected. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Costa logo, the model name, which is Tuna, and on its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, which is 06S9009 0162, and the dimensions of the frame. 62 is for its lens, 11 is for its bridge, and 115 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Costa case, Costa box, a card from Costa says thank you for choosing Costa sunglasses, a manufacturer information booklet, a Costa sticker, and a blue Costa cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.